Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, beta.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Children, I'll be taking up ASL only in this period only because we need to wind up the ASL before Wednesday. You've got your PTM on Saturday. In 12th B, Akash Yadav, Ananya, Anshika, Anshul Verma, and Ariba have already given their ASL. 5 students have already given. Ananya Singh has already given. Ariba has also given. Aryan Raj, you have not given your ASL. Yes? Aryan Raj, good morning. Aryan Raj, are you there? Can you hear me? Okay, forget about it. Ayush Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let's start, beta. Okay, give me your ASL. Aryan Raj, if you can hear me, please respond back. I want to take your ASL, otherwise I'll have to mark a 0 for you. Ayush Patel, ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, switch on. Camera on karo beta. I'll give you a topic. Let's start with the ASL. Yes, sir. Speak on Digital India. Take 1 minute. Take 1 minute, think, and then speak.
What is
Digital
topic?
India. Digital India. Did you understand the topic or
Okay,
should I
ma'am.
change that?
No, ma'am, I understand the topic.
Okay. Take another 45 seconds, 1 minute, think and then speak.
Ma'am, Digital India was the initiative of Digital India started by our Prime Minister Modi. According to Digital India, want to make
Where are you? Why also
Hello?
he had issues? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, ma'am, Digital India was the initiative of Digital India was started by our Prime Minister Modi. According to it, the government wants to make the people using digital method for their transaction, because of which the cashless economy will flourish. The benefit of Digital India to government is that they get the some amount of some amount as a tax. The main aim of Digital India is to make the normal to bring the things to the digital platform so that the business and the economy can grow more and easily.
Okay. Wind up. We have 50 seconds. Conclude kariye, Ayush.
Ma'am, the main for the betterment of a country, we should use the digital methods because they are more convenient and for our and our country.
Okay, fine, Ayush. Your time is up. Very good. Nice. Well spoken. Fine, beta. Okay, after Ayush Patel, we've got more people joining us. Akash, you've already done your ASL. Ananya, Ariba, Arindra, Ayush Patel, Drishti. Drishti, you're there?
I am not done.
Beta Akash Yadav, Ananya Singh, Anshika Singh, Anshul Verma, Ariba, and Ayush Patel. These children can leave if they want. You can prepare for any other subject Viva if you have. These 6 students have already given the ASL. If you want, you can leave, beta. I'll be only taking ASL in this period. So if you are done, you can leave. Yes, Drishti? Drishti,
Yes,
you are there?
ma'am. Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Let's start. Yes, Drishti, I'll give you. Yes, beta. Camera on, Drishti. Okay, Drishti, I'll give you 1 minute to plan also. How successful you think Indian government was in handling COVID? Okay, take 1 minute to think. You think we've handled it in a nice way, or we could have done it in a better way, or you think it was not at all done in a organized manner? So I'm giving you 1 minute, please plan and then speak.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, Beta, please start.
Ma'am, I think Indian government was partially successful in handling the COVID situations in our country because there were some sections of the society which got the medical opportunities, and even after suffering from COVID, they got recovered. But there were some sectors, or we can say families, who didn't got the accurate medical opportunities and have suffered a quite loss. And even when there was lockdown, there were some people who suffered shortages of several things, while a quite and while we can say medium or the rich families were able to get through it. I believe in COVID, such protocols must have been made which should have benefit all the peoples of the country. And the weekly financial sections of the society has suffered a loss in the COVID times. So government must have made such protocols which have benefited everyone in the country around. But apart from it, several things have been done in a much good way as well, as they have taken the initiatives to give vaccine to all the people so that they can be safe from COVID.
Okay, fine, Beta Rishti. Good. You've spoken well. You can leave if you want. Okay. If you want to continue and listen to others, it's absolutely okay. If you want, you can leave and prepare for your subjects. Okay, Harshita, you're there?
Okay, ma'am.
Harshita, Beta.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
The topic is terrorism.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Terrorism.
Ma'am,
Understood?
you are not audible enough.
Disturbance at the back in your audio. Beta, I'm saying your topic is terrorism
Okay,
in
ma'am.
India. Take 1 minute, think, and then speak. Yes, Beta, speak, please.
Ma'am, terrorism is the unlawful violence created amongst the civilians due to some political aspects. And this term was first coined during French Revolution by the revolutionaries against the opponents. And
Yes, Harshita, try better. Speak.
They are the criminal acts committed by the individuals or a group inspired by an association, and media plays a great impact on the media and internet plays have developed. I'm sorry, ma'am.
No, there's nothing to be sorry. You're speaking well. Want to speak more?
Ma'am, I couldn't think of much right now.
Never mind. You've spoken well. There's nothing to get disheartened. You've spoken well, dear. Okay? Chalo. Okay, God bless. You've done well. Don't get panicky. Yes, let's move on to the next one. Kamran is not there. Is he there? Let me check out. Okay, Kamran. Of course, is on there. Harshita is done. Now, Mansi. Yes, Mansi? Ready? Okay, Mansi, can you hear me? But I cannot hear you. Say yes, ma'am. Beta, I cannot hear you. Mansi, say good morning. There's some problem in her audio. We'll come back to her later. Okay? Raghav? Mansi, we'll come back to you later. Your audio is not coming.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Raghav. Should we start?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Your topic is poverty in India. Who is responsible? Poverty in India. Who is responsible? Think for a minute, Raghav, and then speak. Yes, Raghav, should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, poverty in India is increasing day by day. Just because it's like in urban areas, the population is growing very rapidly. So the demands for foods and other things like food, shelter is increasing day by day. So it causes poverty. And according to me, the common man's as well as government is responsible for it. Just like we are focusing on just one field, like if someone is preparing for something, so he must be go like we are not giving the importance to other things. That's why the whole population is fighting for just some fields, and they are not getting what they deserve. And the poverty is not the it's not the new thing for us. Like we are suffering from it from very earlier times, and still we are not improving. So I think government must follow things, and maybe the unemployment is the main reason for it. Like in rural areas.
Conclude. Just 10 seconds more. Conclude.
So, ma'am, I would like to conclude it in a way that we should always support every field, and rather than asking the employment, we should create our we should create own employment by just doing something else. Just like if I went for any business, so I would create the employment for others. So that's it, ma'am.
Good. Well spoken, Beta. Very good, Raghav. Thank you so much. We'll move on to the next child now. If you want, you can leave. If you want, you can continue. It's entirely your choice. After Raghav, we have Ritul.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ritul, let's start. We are there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritul, let's talk about India-Pakistan relationship. Relations, India-Pakistan. What is your opinion? Good, bad, why? All these things. Okay. I'll give you a minute. Please plan it. Yes, Beta. Start.
Yes. And nowadays, India and Pakistan relationships are very poor or bad. We can say, in India, only people fight for the religions like Hindu and Muslims, and same we have there also, like people fight for religion also. And the India and Pakistan has fight for many things, like there was fight for POK, like Jammu and Kashmir, for there were many fights for that. And Ma'am, please take me in.
Yes, Ritul, conclude kariye beta. Another 1 minute, conclude it.
Okay. Like in future also, there is no chance for improving the relationship between Pakistan and India. Day by day, they are in bad conditions, and
Okay, fine. Fine, Ritul. Time up now. You spoke well. Good. Very good. Chale, we'll move on to the next child. Sanvi, are you there? Chalo, I'll give you a topic. Think for a minute and then speak better. India of my dreams. Think for a minute and then speak. India of my dreams. Yes, Anvi, start. Time up now, beta. Please start.
Ma'am, the India of my dreams, what I see my nation to be in the future, what I want it to be in the future, includes some points like I want 100% literacy, which is education. If every citizen is educated, the country is itself considered developed, because that affects other factors that affect other factors like infrastructure, the overall human resource. It develops, which means the country is developed, because that is a very important factor in considering whether, like, our country is taken as a developing country right now, and other countries like USA are treated as developed countries. That is what I want. India should be a developed country in the future, and crime rates should be less, because if education is more, then crime rates will obviously be less. And 100% literacy like we have in Kerala, that I want in like over the mainland, all over India, because that will really help in all the factors. Then next we have poverty and hunger. That is a really big issue in our country, because again, education, so we don't have education, so we don't have employment, and which leads to poverty and hunger. Then we have we don't have equal opportunities for women. That is a very big issue, because in developed countries also, this is a very important thing, that women get equal opportunities, they get equal rights and equal, like, right to vote, which is already given, which we got after a lot of struggle. But all these things should be there for women. They should have equal opportunities, so that every aspect of the nation is developed. And like, because women are something that is treated inferior, they are treated inferior in the society, which is a very big problem for everyone. And again, it comes back to education, because we don't have literacy in our country 100%. So if there is discrimination, prejudice, there is crime against a particular race, like we have Muslim and Hindu riots, all those riots, that is also because of education problem. Everything comes down to population. Why don't we have education? Because we have a lot of population, so everyone can't afford to get educated. There's not enough employment, there's not enough job, so they don't have jobs. They don't have jobs, so they have poverty, they have hunger, and they have all the problems. But it all comes back down to the population of the country. Now,
okay. So your purpose is, your dream is to get rid of all these problems, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So you want your India to be free from all these things. Well, good. Well spoken, beta Santi. Time up now. Good. Very good. Okay, we'll move on to the next child, Shimail. Shimail, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shimail. Let's start, beta. Effect of cinema on Indian youth. Switch on your camera, Shimail. Yes, bacha. Yes, very good. Take your time for a minute. Effect of cinema on Indian youth. Think for a minute, then you can speak. Yes, beta. Are you ready? Let's start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, cinema has both effects, positive and negative, on the youth, and it also has its pros and cons. And for and through Indian cinema, we can make movies which can help in generating patriotism among the youth people. And with the help of movies, we can also make them know about the incidents which actually happened in India. And with the help of movies, we can also inculcate some knowledge
useful movies. Means some movies which can help us to grow our mind about things and
What concluded?
So in conclusion, I would like to say that we should make movies which could help Indian youth to grow both mentally and emotionally, and it can also help them to inculcate some knowledge about every thing which is happening in the day-to-day lives of the people.
Very good. Good, beta. You've spoken well. Very nice. Good, good. Okay, we'll move on to the next child. The next is Srishti Mittal. Are you there, beta?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Srishti. Your topic is role of women in Indian society. Role of women in Indian society. You can think for a minute and then you can start.
Ma'am, women nowadays have been contributing a lot to the Indian society. Before the 21st century, the women were considered inferior to the Indian society. Nowadays, the women have been given equal opportunities. Like we can talk about many women who have led a very difficult and path for the coming generation. Like we can talk about the cabinet ministers. We have many which are like in this year, Modi ji has appointed many of the women which have shown their capabilities up to the utmost. Also, many women been have been able to show their capabilities. Like Aditi Ashoka, she has won the 4th position in the Olympics this year. Women are also now coming forth and being reaching at par to the men. As we can see also in the education sector, the women and the girls are reaching more at par than the men. The men and the boys are not at much par with the women. Also, women have been contributing to the Indian society. The housewives, which are the most important factor for giving education and the moral values to the child. As we can see, women are nowadays contributing the most to the Indian society. So we can say that in the coming generation, we will see women giving a much contribution and will be considered more equal to the men in the society. Thank you.
Very good, Srishti. Very well spoken. Excellent, Bache. Very nice.
Thank you.
Yes, beta. If you want, you can leave. Aryan Raj, you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Anji, beta. Chalo, start. Switch on your camera. Importance of sports in a student's life. Think for a minute and then speak. What is the importance of sports in the life of a student? Think for a minute and then speak. If at all you are in touch with your friends, Mahi and all, please convey that next period they should come for their ASL. In biology period only, I want to finish it. Because then we have many sections, beta. So I want to finish it in bio period. Should we start, Aaron? Speak, Peter. Are sports important?
Yes, sports are very important in student life. Sports is very important in student life. It is very important for physical healthness also. Sports increase the oxygen level in blood.
Try, Peter. Try whatever little bit. Please try. You're speaking well. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं. Try. Okay, Aaron, if you want, you can join me again in the next period, okay? If you want to improve it on your scores, you can join me again in the next period. Okay, I'll give you another chance. Absolutely okay. Let's move further. We have Mansi. Mansi, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Mansi, please come. Now I can hear you. Your topic is social media platforms. How useful and how harmful? Think for a minute and then start. Social media platforms. See, should we start, Peter?
Yes, ma'am.
Start, Peter.
Social media platforms are useful and harmful as as they're useful, as they are used by the backward class people or students, those who don't get a proper opportunity or platform for to show their talent on a big screen, and they get the platform easily, and but it is harmful as that it is also used by some corrupt peoples or may hack or hackers or crackers. This may hack someone's profile or and may translate it to any other and may use that in a bad way.
Yes, Peter, wind up 30 seconds.
As all the things have its benefits and harms, then it also have it that we can also say that these are used by the peoples, which these are used by the people for. Some people also use it as they are very. They can show their talents as well as their they can get their priorities.
Okay, fine. Okay, Mansi, well done, well spoken. Let's move on to Sony now. Sony, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Sony, you come. Let's talk to Soni. Mansi's here. Yes, Soni, if you were the Prime Minister of the country, what would be your policies? Think for a minute and then start. And please switch on your camera, beta. Soni.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Camera on. Quickly. Yes. Plan your topic nicely. If I were the Prime Minister. Okay, and then speak. Take your time. Take a minute and then speak.
When may I leave?
Yes, beta. Those who finish can always leave. Absolutely okay. If you want to be there, it's okay. Listen to others, it's a different issue. Otherwise, you can leave. Yes, should we start?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if I would be the Prime Minister of the country, first of all, I would be very much focused on studies, on education, as it is very important for all of you to be literate. It also improves other factors and helps in the development of our country. And education is very important as it is the key for our future, and it also improves the holistic development of our country. And first, I would also make some laws for the country, which were mainly for the women, because as I have seen in many of the villages or cities that women are harassed in a very bad manner, mentally or emotionally. So I would first of all I would make the laws for that, and punishment should be given to those people who did such crimes. And I would also give equal rights to women and males at every place. And I would also
Yes, Peter, wind up. Just 30 seconds more. Just conclude now.
And I also would talk about the population, as it is growing so much. There's a lot of unemployment in our country. So I would to create jobs. I would also set up some of the industries which are also which are important for our country's development, and it also provide jobs for other people. And I will also start some programs which can influence the students to study or to take part in those activities in which they want, so that they can do better in their life. And
very